Hey everyone, in today's video, I wanted to show you how to cancel Apple TV Plus, and I want to show you how to do it on your iPhone or iPad. Then I want to show you how to do it on a Mac. Then I'll show you how to do it on a PC, or if you don't have any Apple products, there is an easy way to do it on a computer too. So the easiest way to do it is using the Apple TV Plus app. So if you have that on your phone, you could basically come to the app. I'll show you another way right after this too, but with the Apple TV Plus app, this app right here on top, basically you just press the icon on the top right of the page, and on this page you just want to press manage subscriptions, and it will show you all your active subscriptions. So the Apple TV Plus, if you press it, it will bring you to your plans page. I just did the free 7-day trial here, so if I was to cancel the subscription, it won't charge me anything and it will cancel it here. And the main reason I'm doing this is because I'm buying an Apple TV device, and that device comes with 1 year for free. So I'm gonna go ahead and cancel it here and get it through the device itself. The other option is, if you don't have the Apple TV Plus app, go to the App Store icon here. Every iPhone and iPad has this by default, and you'll have that same icon on the top right. Press that, and it'll bring you to this page again, where you could go to subscriptions to see what you've subscribed to. And again, you could press Apple TV Plus, exact same page, and then go ahead and cancel your subscription here. Now let's jump into the Mac. I'll show you how to do it there, and then right after that, I'll show you how to do it on a PC. So on a Mac, we want to look for this TV app as well. You could do it right inside of here. So if I press this app, this is what the Apple TV Plus app looks like on a computer. And here, in order to get to that same page where I could cancel, I'll have to come to account, and then I'll have to come to view my account. On this page, it's going to show all my account information, but let me go all the way to the bottom. And on the bottom of the page, there is a settings option, and you can manage your subscription. So if I press manage, it'll bring me to that familiar page where I could cancel Apple TV Plus by pressing edit. And here's your cancellation option right here. You could also change your plan here if you wanted to move to a year plan. And finally, if you're on a PC, you want to download iTunes. It's been rebranded to be called Music here on a Mac, but if you download iTunes, which I'll link to the description for a PC download, you could basically come to this page. And the way you come to this page on your iTunes is going to account, view my account, and then scroll all the way to the bottom of that page to see subscriptions again and manage subscriptions. And it'll bring you to the same page that we've looked at multiple times now, where you could go ahead and edit your Apple TV subscription and cancel it. So finally, let me press cancel here. And then it says, do you want to confirm? You could still access till November 8th. I'm gonna say yes. And after I typed out my password, I'm basically done. I could resubscribe here if I wanted to, but it's just gonna expire after my free trial here. So again, you could do this in iTunes, you could do this in the App Store, and you could do this in the Apple TV app. So if you try to do it in another app, it's gonna tell you that you've already canceled because I already did it inside of the iTunes. But that's all it takes to cancel your Apple TV Plus subscription on any device. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for daily tech and social media videos, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.